Monkey picked these bananas by himself, climbed the tree, risked his tail, and now the jungle says Monkey owe them some. Why? Monkey shocked. Not theft, not robbery, not prank. Taxes. Taxes are when the community or the government takes a piece of what you earn. Not to steal, but to share. Monkey schools? Taxes. Monkey hospitals? Taxes. Roads to and bridges to the banana market? Yep, taxes. Who fixed bridge? Who healed monkey? Who saved tribe from fire? No one, unless tribes share. How do taxes work? Apes earn bananas, and then part of them go to the common banana pot. Like jungle toll. You pay, you pass. But it's not always the same amount. Some tribes say all monkey pay same amount, which is flat tax. Other tribes say monkey with big banana pile pay more. This is called progressive tax. Fair? Many say yes. Because if rich monkey drop one banana, no big deal. Poor monkey? One banana equals whole dinner. 10 out of 100 bananas hurts less than 1 out of 2. Also, nobody gets rich alone. You may have picked the bananas yourself, but you didn't grow the jungle, build the paths, or train the monkey medic who saved your leg. Even biggest banana empires sit on jungle built by tribe. Success relies on systems, funded by taxes, and the rich benefit most from that stability. But where does it go? Not every banana is used wisely. In good tribe, tax build bridge, monkey schools, hospitals. In bad tribe, tax buy golden hammock for chief's cousin. Bad leadership, corruption. Worst case, monkey pay, banana gone. Used for chief's banana yacht. Or banana defense missiles. Some rich monkeys smart. They say, banana not income. Banana-based asset transfer. Corporate loopholes. Some big apes hide bananas in offshore trees. Big companies often pay less tax than small ones. Banana loopholes, smart lawyers, confused tax monkeys, banana vaults in distant trees. Not all apes agree on taxes. Right tribe says, too much tax. Smaller government. Let monkey climb free. No hand in banana. Reward effort, inspire hustle. Left tribe says, the rich should pay more. Better services for all. We protect weak, share tree, build net. No monkey fall forever. Wise monkey thinks, maybe we climb free but build net too? Taxes aren't fun, but make the jungle livable. Vote smart. Demand fairness. So next time a banana disappears from your pile, ask where it's going. Monkey says, I pay. What I get? Good question. Tribe must show. No transparency equals no trust equals no bananas next year. Taxes tool. Good tool builds. Bad tool breaks. If you strong, give more. If you weak, receive help. Next time, roles may flip. Banana system not perfect, but better than chaos. See you next time.